Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Escape with a dead key fob. First, you'll need to access the hidden mechanical key. Look for a small button or latch on the side or back of your key fob. Press it firmly to release the physical key. This key is essential for manually unlocking your vehicle's door, allowing you to gain entry even when the fob's battery is completely dead. Now that you're inside, the next step is to start the engine. Many Ford Escapes have a specific key slot designed for this situation. Look for it near the steering column or in the center console. Insert your entire key fob into this slot. This allows the vehicle to read the fob's transponder chip, even if the battery is dead. With the fob in place, press the brake and then push the engine start button. If your Ford Escape doesn't have a dedicated key slot, don't worry. There's another common method. You'll need to hold the dead key fob directly against the steering column. Make sure the Ford logo on the fob is facing the column. This position allows the vehicle's antenna to detect the fob's transponder chip. While maintaining this contact, press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button to ignite the engine. Congratulations, your Ford Escape is now running. After starting, it's crucial to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Ford key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it is usually a straightforward task, often requiring just a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the fob. This ensures your key fob functions normally for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.